Hey, thanks so much for stopping in today. Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's. I'm going to show you how to make a tasty Prosecco-Poached Shrimp going over some risotto. Let's first start off with that risotto. So add some olive oil to a medium-sized pan. Next, we're going to add in some yellow onions. What we want to do is cook this on medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes or until they are light brown. At this point, we're going to add in some garlic, stir it, and cook it for about 30 to 45 seconds. Once it becomes fragrant, it's done. Now we're going to pour in some short grain Arborio rice. We want to stir this and toast it for about 1 to 2 minutes again over medium heat. Then we are going to deglaze with some white wine. Cook it and stir it just until it's absorbed. At this point, this will begin the risotto process. We are going to add in some chicken stock while continually stirring until the stock is absorbed before adding in more chicken stock. It is very important to never stop stirring or else things will stick to the bottom. The goal is for the rice to be cooked and for the mixture to be very creamy, just like this. We're going to finish it with some butter, some Parmesan cheese. Then we want to season it well with salt and fresh cracked black pepper. We're going to stir all those ingredients into the risotto. Then we're just going to put a lid on it and set it to the side and keep it warm because now we need to make our shrimp. So in a separate medium-sized pot, we're going to add in some Vin Hunter Prosecco sparkling wine. What we want to do is cook this on high heat and reduce the amount of liquid by about 1/2, which maybe only takes 5 to 7 minutes. At this point, we're going to add in some unsalted butter and whisk it in until it is completely combined into the sparkling wine. Now we're going to add in a few ingredients: some whole garlic cloves, the juice of 1 lemon, some thinly sliced lemon wheels, a little bit of flat leaf parsley. Then we want to season this well with salt and fresh cracked black pepper. Be sure to taste it, make sure it's nice and salty. This is going to be the liquid we're going to cook our shrimp in. So after it's mixed, we're going to add in some fresh Heinen's 1620 peeled and deveined shrimp. Only going to take 2 to 3 minutes to cook. You may have to cook this in batches. And we're just going to serve it right over top of our risotto. And I like to garnish with a little bit of fresh chopped parsley and some red pepper flakes. And the flavors in this are absolutely to die for.